Hey family, this is Andre Jones, your Texas licensed realtor and U.S. Army Gulf War veteran. I want to first ask you to subscribe to my YouTube page right below here and get more information on anything real estate in the Houston area. Today I wanted to show you this great looking home here in Harvest Green in Richmond, Texas. The community, first of all, has many amenities such as swimming pools with slides and a community clubhouse. They have a community gym. They have also, you can make your own garden here in this community. It's a great community in a great location with stores and restaurants all surrounding the whole area. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, over 2,000 square feet. It comes with granite countertops. It's also a smart home, so you will get the Alexa doorbell and camera and such other things like the thermostat, smart thermostat. You can also get so many other things with this builder. The builder is D.R.HORTON, and they're giving up to $10,000 towards your closing costs and a reduced interest rate of 4.5%. It's a great house. I highly suggest you take a look at it. It's been reduced over $40,000. So take a look at it. Tell me what you think. Again, subscribe to my YouTube page and get more information on all things related to real estate in the Houston area.